Okay, so here we are at the Social App Workshop. We've had the talks and we've been hacking away all day. I'm here with Sarah and she's got a demo. Tell us what you've been doing.
So we decided to use the Twilio API to make an SMS app where we could integrate it with mightyverse.com so I could SMS a word and get back a video link to a phrase in another language. So the first thing I tried to do was use Sinatra to spit up the Twilio XML, and the cycle of development was a little slow. So I made a little editor on Heroku. If you go to monkeyxml.heroku.com, you can check it out. So basically this is a simple CRUD app where you can hit edit on any script and see a little XML snippet. So, so this would just echo back the response. And then of course I realized that I don't want just straight XML. I need a little dynamic code in it. So I made it so my Rails app will evaluate the text block like an ERB template. So you can do embedded ERB. So then I had a really quick response cycle and wrote this really tiny script, which you can see it's called Japanese phrases. And so it just uses OpenARI to get back to call an API that returns JSON, it scrapples through the JSON, and ends up with a link. So now the phone number is 415-226-6848, and if you're on an iPhone, you can type in a word. So I'm going to type in frog. And it'll go off to the Twilio server and it'll fetch my XML. And it says the child of a frog is a frog, which is a Japanese proverb. And if I click the link, then it plays a video in my browser. And that's the whole thing.
Cool. And thank you. Excellent.
So you can